or the Association of Surgeons in Training, is an independent professional body and educational charity that represents surgical trainees from the grades of medical student all the way to those who are at the end of their training across all 10 surgical specialties. ASiT Conference is a really exciting educational event, and it's pitched to all of our members, so that's from all of those grades and across all of the different surgical specialties too.
So I chose to attend the ASiT Conference because it gives me an opportunity to network with medical students, junior doctors and surgical trainees, and it gives me a platform to build on collaborative research networks across the country. And also it gives me an opportunity to present some of the work which I've done, and being able to discuss that with surgical trainees really gives me insight into further research to do in the future.
The theme of this year's conference is Innovation in Surgical Practice, and so what I'd like to do with the theme of this conference is really challenge the way that we think and we learn. I think there's an awful lot that we can learn from different professional organisations, and it'd be really good to see what we can learn to take forward into our surgical practice.
Well, certainly the benefits as we see it of coming to ASiT is that we have what we believe is a shared vision in development of surgical trainees for the future, and it's really important, we believe, that industry has that shared vision within the trainees as well. So fundamentally it's something for the future, and we're here for the long term.
In one conference we can meet all these junior doctors, and they are actually at the start of their career, and we can already get to know with our products in an early stage. And this is one of the few conferences that is so large, because most other conferences are very small with only 300 delegates, and here over 1,000 delegates we have.